Honorable Speaker, on the voting, abstentions 0, nays 0, ayes 236.
You have signed to the order, honorable members. Order. Order. Who is that member? Hillary. Take your seat. Honorable members, the vote on the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is as follows. Abstentions, nil. Noes, nil. Ayes, 236. Present and voting, as we had advised you earlier, the vote is overwhelmingly yes. So the nomination is herewith declared passed by the House, and the Speaker will transmit the results to the President, and the Speaker will also sign a Gazette notice to this effect that the nominee for Deputy President has been duly voted by the House and approved. Approval is not applicable here. Has been voted by the House and therefore will transmit to the appointing authority to proceed with the appointment. Is now Deputy President-elect. Members, having finished on the issue of the Deputy President-elect, it is now 1:54 p.m. and the House will adjourn until this afternoon at 2:30. Order. If you wanted to break now, the majority leader would have approached the chair.
Mana kamano e kaka weche chalo e od bura mamalo kama jood bura ne goyo ombulu mar puodho welo mar jatend piny William Ruto mano walo godo ngire Kithure Kindiki kaka Jalup ne kata Jalup jatend piny manyien kaluwore gi thich oko mar Rigathi Gachagua.